Okay, welcome back. Before I go on, this I put this comment in here for me on line 37, and I'm going to add capital my initials. Okay, don't put my initials in your program. Use your own initials because you added this outside just the flow of what the code does. Okay, just something to add to. Now, the movement of the ship is dependent upon what the ship does. Okay, and the game doesn't care about the ship. The ship does. So if I go click on the Explorer in the upper and left hand side and go to the ship class, excuse me, I have to add a flag, true or false Boolean, that says if the ship is moving left or right. Okay, so in the init on the ship class, after we have set the ship's position, we're going to create a movement flag. And it will be just self dot moving right, RIGHT, and we'll set it off to where it's false because it's just sitting there. We are also going to add a new method that will update the position of the ship. Update itself instance of the ship. So I'll go ahead and not really going to do this on methods, but I'll go ahead and say update the ship's position. All right. And the first thing we'll check if it's moving right. So if moving underscore, if that's true, then we can move the ship. self.recct.x plus equal 1. So I use this other method for this. If moving moving, I have to go if self, if self dot moving right. Okay, because I'm using itself as an instance. So we've added this update method to the ship class. All right, let me go back to Alien Invasion, and where we have this here, we have, if the key goes down and the key is to the right, so let me take this off right here. All right, and all we have to do is, okay, so it's moving to the right, so we will set the flag and let the flag know that the ship is true and it's moving to the right. Moving RIGHT. We'll set that to true because TRUE. Because the user, somebody's pushing the right arrow key down. Now that's if the key is down. Now I'm going to tab back and ask, what if the key is up? ELIF, EVENT, EVENT, TYPE, go to Pygame, and determine if the key just went up. KEYUP, uppercase. Well, okay, the key just went up. Is it the right hand key, the right arrow key? So we ask if event.key particularly is, and we go to Pygame, and then the right arrow key is this, all caps, got to have caps. If the right hand key, arrow key just went up, then we know the ship isn't moving right anymore. Okay, so we set it to false. Is there, yeah, okay, self.ship.moving, moving underscore right, is now false. All right. So we are no longer moving the ship directly in the event handler. Okay, we're doing that with a method in update position of the ship. So after we check for the events of the keyboard, we might have moved the ship with the arrow key or not by letting the key go up. So we will have to run, we'll have to run the ship's update, SHIP_update method. All right? So now, if I run it, no ship update. Alien Invasion looks like on line 26. I got an error. Self.ship. No, it's not ship update _update. It's ship the method update. Okay? I made that mistake. So, yeah, if you go to ship, and there we put in this method called update. Okay, so let me try running it again. And sure enough, so if I go push the arrow key down, it moves over. Okay, it moves over. Now, sometimes you may leave an instance of a window open, of a session open. It's like I can click back here, and I can try running it again. I go, oh, okay, well, I'll try running it again, and nothing happens. Well, if you look down in here down at the bottom, you'll see that an instance of the game is still running. We're only using one instance. So I'll close this and instantly it comes up. All right, so that might happen when you're running the game if you kept an instance of the game active. And so, I can move it to the right and go all the way over. And I can't move it back. Okay. We will see you in the next video.